So I just found your job post about setting up analytics for your SEO services. Now this is one of the dashboards I have created with Lucas Studio. This is a Shopify store dashboard. Basically, I'll be setting up multiple dashboards based on your analytic needs. And within the next 5 minutes, I'll be explaining to you how I will set up your project from the very start to the very finish. First of all, we need to connect to all your data sources. You mentioned Shopify. You can see that this platform has connection to Shopify. You also mentioned Google Analytics 4. This is Google Analytics 4. You also mentioned Google Ads. So the very first thing I'm going to do is connect to all your data sources, and then via this connection, I can send your data to wherever I want. For this case, I'll be sending your data to Lucas Studio directly. That's the first part. Now the second part, I'll be creating multiple dashboards depending on what you need. It all depends on the metrics, the kind of metrics you want to calculate. And so we can track metrics like ROAS, we can calculate metrics like cost per conversion, cost per click, and much more. This is a Google Ads dashboard, for example. This is the Google Ads templates. This is also an attribution dashboard. Basically, we can attribute every conversion. Every single conversion can be attributed to a specific ad source. You can attribute every single conversion to a specific ad. For example, if someone comes to your website for the first time and they convert after 30 days, even though they don't convert on the very first day, we can track that conversion to that specific first visit and say, let's say the person comes today and they convert after 30 days. If we're using first click attribution model, then that conversion will be attributed to the very first visit. So in this case, that attribution will be given to Facebook ads. Now these are other dashboards. In real time, we'll also be able to track daily performance, daily ad performance, CPM, impressions, clicks, ROAS, average cost per conversion, and much more. And this is also these are e-commerce dashboards as well that we can use. And these are Google Analytics dashboards. This way you can understand customer behavior on the website. You can understand engagement. You can understand average session duration, and much more. This is under Google Analytics 4 dashboard we can use for this your project. It all depends on this. The whole thing is dependent on what you actually need for this project. Feel free to reach out to me. We can hop on a call and discuss further about what you want with your project. Thank you.